तो होश से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ है देखा देखी। अंग्रेज के गुलाम न कोई काम, बस फेंका फेंकी।
Hi.
Just don't speak a word, okay? That Vernie bitch is here. She has all yours. You know, she'll not leave a chance against me. She'll just fill up my dad's head. So just be quiet and calm.
Must say, Rome, you have a beautiful house.
Yeah, thanks.
And an unobstructed view here. Surrounded with millions of trees. Ah, a botanical garden as well. Enclosed with sea. Rome, you should be grateful about all this. What you have.
I mean, it's my house. My dad's house is on 26th floor.
Wow. I mean, so what's the problem then?
There is a problem. My will says that I'm not gonna get this house until I get married to someone. And until then, I will have to live with that bitch. So yeah, that's a big problem.
I don't think so. It's a problem.
Why? I mean, look, I don't want to get married, yeah. I can try living, but marriage doesn't seem an option to me. I mean, come on.
So, okay, may I give you an idea?
Sure.
So, why don't you marry a guy and then give divorce to him?
Wow! You're such a pet, Jerry.
I know.
Thank you so much. By the way, why don't we get married, huh?
No, I can't. I mean, you know about me, right? I mean, I can't.
तो होश से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ है देखा देखी। अब रह गई है ना समझ ये सोबो की नक्चरी। रईस बाप की बिगड़ी औलाद है अपनी जिद पर अड़ी। बन जा सियानी वरना कुंवारी रह जाएगी सोबो की रानी। इसके आगे क्या कहूँ समझ ले मेरी कहानी।
I hope you'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
Taste it?
Where did you get this from? Yeah, it's really nice.
Just nearby, downstairs.
Seriously? What happened? Are you
I think, yeah, I'm okay. It's really nice, huh?
Yeah.
So, how's everything going?
Doing great.
Really?
Planning for a trip.
Trip where?
You wanna come?
Of course, I want to come.
I'm planning to go to Goa. There is a really nice rave party going on. No one knows about it.
Not even your dad.
How would my dad know? Come.
You want something? I brought you chocolates as well. I know you like chocolates, huh?
Hi. Nice talking.
Okay. Let me bring it. Wait here just for 2 minutes, okay? I'm coming. Do not move.
This time?
I am Jerry Bose, old man. I was just entertaining your daughter.
Old man.
Yeah, old man.
Are you in your senses? This time of the night? Hey, sweetie.
Hi, Dad. Come.
See you.
Come.
Wow. So what's going on?
Just wandering around, chatting with my friends. You tell me.
Well,
What's up?
things are good, but I'm worried about you.
Why worried?
You're not a teenager anymore. You have to get married.
Dad,
No. Tell me, who is that boy?
there's no one, Dad. He's just my friend, and I'm not planning to get married any soon, okay? So please, don't throw me this marriage stuff, okay?
See, I'm compelled. It is your mom's wish that you should get married early, and I have no way out. It's not possible for me to be your mother and father at the same time. I can't do it anymore. You have to get married. Those are the customs, and we have to follow those customs.
But Dad, look, first of all, I want to tell you that I'm quite horrored by your corporate compliances. You know what? First, let me be a criminal lawyer, huh?
You want to be a criminal lawyer.
Yeah.
Have you committed any crime?
No.
Then how will you become a criminal lawyer?
That's not necessary, Dad. Come on, what are you talking?
It is not for a lady like you to be a criminal lawyer. Criminal lawyers are best suited for somebody who really knows the inside out of crime. And they themselves indulge in it. Otherwise, how can they become criminal lawyers?
I can go, I can study.
Anyway,
Dad.
don't humor me and don't deviate from the main reason of my telling you that you have to get married.
No, Dad, please. I can take my own decisions, and marriage is not for me, okay? I believe in live-in relationships. I'm not thinking of any family plans or anything.
Not in this house.
जिस बात का डर था वही हुआ। अलग मैंने तुम्हें कितनी बार समझाया है कि हैंडल हर वेरी केयरफुली, और ये तो चिल्लाना ही शुरू कर दिया। क्या करूं? मैं तो समझा भी नहीं सकती। मेरी तो बात वैसे भी नहीं सुनती
I
है।
will not tolerate that.
You're gonna do? You're gonna
Please
throw
don't
me out
shout.
of the house?
Yeah, come to me.
Dad,
No,
you can't do this to me. You really love me. You can't get angry on me like this, Dad. Dad.
what?
अलग, what's wrong with you? Why were you shouting at her? कितनी बार समझाया है।
तो मैं करूं क्या?
देखो, बहुत प्यार से उसे हैंडल करना होगा। And you're the only person who can do this. मेरी बात तो वो वैसे भी नहीं सुनती है।
Water! That Vani witch. I don't know what she has done on my dad. Let me call Jerry. Pick up. Jerry, hi. Look, things have gone really bad here, okay? So you just come right now to pick me up outside my house, okay? And please don't be late. I'm just going down, okay? Come fast.
अरे नाक में दम कर दिया है। रात रात को नींद नहीं आती है। आपको तो मालूम है, मैं देखता हूँ कि आप सो रही है, लेकिन आप कुछ भी, मैं यहाँ से आहिस्ते से चले जाता हूँ। नींद नहीं आती है क्योंकि वो इतनी लेट आती है। क्या करूं? कहाँ जाती है?
ऐसे चिल्लाने से वो सुनेगी? बिल्कुल नहीं सुनेगी आपकी।
अब क्या करूं मैं, बताओ।
एंड मोरओवर इट्स गोइंग टू अफेक्ट योर हेल्थ, ओके? चलिए सो जाइए।
नहीं, मैं तो अभी निपट के आता हूं।
अरे
देखता हूं कुछ अच्छी तरह से कुछ।
और प्लीज डोंट शाउट।
नो
हाँ?
नो नो नो। अरे, where did she go? Where is she? कहाँ गई? So you ran away? Where are you? I can see you. Now, I'll see that you get married immediately. You have till tomorrow to tell me who's the boy. Otherwise, I will get you married to the one I like. Okay? Is that understood? Okay. Okay, bye. What should I do, my soul? I know I made a blunder by not getting married immediately, but I did not want her to have a stepmother. Now I'm suffering for that. Please, please, tell me what to do. Thank you, my soul. So, all good?
All good. What happened?
What to tell you? Everything is good.
So happy.
Yeah.
What happened? क्या हुआ?
अभी तय कर लिया है, अभी हमारे ऊपर है उसको किससे शादी कराएं, हम ही करेंगे। और दूसरा तरीके नहीं, कल तक अगर उसने मेरे को जवाब नहीं दिया तो हम लोग ने तय किया है, और वो लड़का तो देखेगी ना, मन पसंद है, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, मिलेंगे उससे मिलेंगे।
What are you saying? You are planning to get your daughter married?
या
तुम्हारी पसंद से?
हाँ।
किसके साथ?
लड़के का नाम बताओ?
Of course, कौन है? बताओ।
राजीव है, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है।
And what he does?
वो तो बड़ी कंपनी में काम कर रहा है, अच्छा काम कर रहा है, अच्छा कमा रहा है, लेकिन तेरे जैसा वर्णी है वो।
You know, लड़के का नाम क्या है, कितना कमाता है, it doesn't matter.
अभी कितना कमाता है वो देखो, उसका काम है उसको कैसे भी जीत लेने का, वो लड़की को बस में कर ले बस।
But you know, your daughter, she really wants somebody from that Sobo culture. You know, the other day she was talking to her friends, and you know what did she say about me? Oh, she's from suburb, na? She's a Varni. Imagine she's calling her mother.
What do you think? I will not tolerate that at all. And I'm going to see to it that she gets married to a Varni too.
The boy just have to be good,
Yes, you will meet him.
sensible, intelligent.
You will meet him.
तो बुलाओ उसे, मिलते हैं.
बुलाओ, बुलाओ, फोन लाओ.
अभी बुला रहे.
थैंक यू, बिल्कुल बुलाता हूँ.
For holiday. No?
Who is this? At this time? Hey, that is Rajiv. Come.
Hi, sir.
Come. We were only talking about you. हाँ, क्या बात है? मेरे बीवी से मिल.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Smita, Rajiv. I told you about Rajiv.
Yeah.
Okay, boy.
आराम से be comfortable.
So, you made up your mind to get married to my only daughter, my only child. And you know, you have to win her over. And that's not going to be easy. You see, Rajiv now, you wanted to meet him, he's right here. Good fella. He's doing very well in his job. And he makes good amount of money. स्वभाव का बहुत अच्छा है.
That's
और
nice.
आदतें बहुत अच्छी. अब सेहत देखो उसकी, मसल्स देखो, लंबा चौड़ा जवान. अब इसके आगे क्या मिलेगा?
Yeah,
अब सोचो,
can see that.
है ना? बस एक खामी है इसमें. आपकी तरह वो अंधेरी से जैसे आप मलाद से, वो अंधेरी से.
Like your daughter calls me Varni. Okay, let me clear this. When I'm saying Varni, it doesn't mean from vernacular medium. लेकिन वर्ली के बाहर मतलब जो भी टाउन से नहीं है, रोमा के लिए वो वर्णी
हाँ,
है.
पता है मुझे.
तो सब लोगों को
देखो, मेरा जिम्मा है आपको शादी करा लेना, बाकी सब आपका.
बट ये तो बहुत गर्व की बात है मेरे लिए. बट क्या रोमा मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेगी?
वो तो तेरे हाथ में है. मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ वो क्या करेगी? वो तो तेरा काम है भाई. देखो, कोई बाप फोर्सफुली तो बेटे को शादी नहीं करा सकता है. नो लॉ इज गोइंग टू एग्री टू दैट. सो आई विल डू एवरीथिंग लीगली करेक्ट. मोती वाला जैसे बोलेगा वही करूंगा. बिल्कुल लीगली करेक्ट है वो. तो शादी तो हो जाएगी, लेकिन उसके बाद बर्बादी नहीं हो. मना लो उसको, अच्छी तरह से मना लो. कर सकोगे?
जी, मैं अपना पूरा 100% दूंगा. ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है और मैं रोमा को बहुत खुश भी रखूंगा.
हाँ, ऐसा कर लिया है तो बहुत बड़ी बात होगी, क्योंकि दिस इज लाइक टेमिंग ऑफ द श्रू. उसको मना लेना इतना सिंपल नहीं. बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा.
डोंट वरी.
We both are in it. Taming of the shrew is a mission, and we'll go by it.
ओके सर.
Excellent. Excellent. What do you think?
I can only say wish you all the best, both of you.
Very good, very good. चलो चलते हैं.
Yeah, God bless you. Take care of yourself.
अरे बाप की बिगड़ी औलाद है, क्या बोलूं. लेकिन तू उसे जीत सकता है. नशा उसी का आए जो आसानी से बाज ना आए. बस में कर ले वो ऐसी बला, जवान मर्द वो ही कहलाए.
यू आर माई गुरु. पर मेरे लिए ये बहुत प्राउड की बात है कि मैं आपका सन इन लॉ हूँ.
चलो ग्रेट. All the best. Good luck. Take care. God bless you, my son. What are you thinking?
You know what? लड़का तो बहुत अच्छा है. In fact, he's a perfect match for your girl. और मुझे लगता है अच्छे से उसको हैंडल भी कर लेगा. But what about your daughter, Roma?
उसका कुछ सोच के रखा है. मैं जबरदस्ती नहीं करूंगा. Don't worry.
Sure.
Yes. It will be all.
What are your plans? Tell me now.
अब देखो, अब उसको डिस्कस करना ठीक नहीं है. बताऊंगा तुझे. देखोगी तू, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. कल तक सब मैं ठीक ठाक जो हो रहा है सब बता दूंगा कि क्या करना है. How do we plan ahead? All that will be done. Tomorrow morning, let's sleep peacefully today and let's go out, have some fun. Tomorrow morning, we'll talk again.
Roma Banerjee with
Yeah.
Rajiv Tyagi.
Hi.
Hi, please have a seat, Miss Roma.
What happened? We usually meet at home. What happened today? Why are we here at your office?
It's a very serious matter. And I think you will lose all your heritage. And in order to gain that, you have to get married on your birthday or before your birthday.
What? What bullshit is this and who told you this?
Miss Roma, there is no one to tell me this. And I think before you say something, all the answers for your questions. You should
What's this?
just read, have a look. I think that will answer all your questions.
What the hell is... What is this all bullshit?
That's your father's will.
I mean, my dad did all this. I mean, how could he? What the fuck is this? I mean, how could he do this to me? And how could he do this? I am his only daughter. And what are these conditions? I don't understand. I mean, what rubbish is this, yaar? I don't believe this.
See, that is not in my hands. Please, Miss Roma, calm down. See, this is my office. You should maintain that decorum, please. Please control.
I mean, what the hell is wrong with him, yaar? How could he do this? And why is everyone behind me?
No one is behind you. That is wrong. You should not think that. And your father has always dedicated his life just for your happiness. You should respect that. This is the condition if you want to gain all that heritage.
Okay.
I'm your lawyer. It's my responsibility.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah, that's the only option.
Fine. You want me to get married and he want me to get married on my birthday, na? Fine. I'll do it. So then no one will be able to deprive me from my will. Right?
No one.
Fine. I'll do that.
हेलो सर.
मोती वाला
यस सर.
क्या हुआ?
हाँ सर, अभी आई थी. शी जस्ट वेंट. सर यू आर राइट. सर काफ़ी इम्पेशेंट और एरोगेंट है सर.
उसका क्या दिमाग अभी भी फिरा हुआ है?
सर आई डोंट थिंक सो, लेकिन जैसा आपने कहा था मैंने सारे लॉज बता दिए और सारे क्लॉज भी बता दिए.
वेरी गुड.
जी.
Okay, now it's all up to you.
जी जी.
So she's got divorce in her mind.
या शी इज़ डेस्परेटली वेटिंग फॉर दैट.
So now it's all up to you. You handle it.
श्योर सर.
All the best. God bless.
सी यू सून. थैंक यू.
Halak, I'm really so terrified at your behavior. I don't know what's going on in your mind.
I'm not doing anything wrong, let me tell you that.
तुम उसकी शादी जबरदस्ती तो नहीं करा रहे?
मैं जबरदस्ती कैसे कर सकता हूँ?
I'm just wondering, शादी की कितनी तैयारियां होती हैं?
हाँ तो उसी ने फिक्स किया है डेट.
तो फिक्स करती तो she would have taken some interest. Where is your daughter? कब आती है, कब जाती है, उसका कोई पता ठिकाना नहीं.
अरे वो अजीब किस्म की लड़की है जो खुद समझती है वही करती है.
I don't know. कब करनी है आपको उसकी शादी?
मुझे नहीं, उसको करनी है. बुधवार को फिक्स हो गया है.
बुधवार, सिर्फ 2 दिन है बुधवार में.
हाँ बस ठीक है, अब क्या करना है.
कोई प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई है.
कुछ नहीं, बस वो ये फेसबुक वगैरह सब पोस्ट में डाल दोगे इन दोनों की शादी है, बस वो बात खत्म हो गया और कुछ नहीं करना.
What about the jewelry, her torso, wedding sarees and all this thing?
अब वो जाने, उसका काम जाने, मुझे क्या करना है. मैंने तो उसको राजू लाके दे दिया, बस हो गया, मेरा काम हो गया. अब देखो, मुझे भी तू ऐसे ही बोलती थी, कोई ठिकाना नहीं है, याद है? मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ.
Yeah, like father, like daughter.
Like father, like daughter, that's right. Both of us will be successful, father and daughter, like you and me.
हेलो जेरी, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. ओके, सो एज पर द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. जस्ट गेट द कार डाउन राइट नाउ. आई एम लीविंग फास्ट. ओके, या प्लीज जस्ट कम फास्ट. ओके, या बाय.
अभी तक तो आ जाना चाहिए था उसको. एंड शी इज नॉट इवन आंसरिंग माय कॉल्स. क्या करे, समझ में नहीं आता है.
मेरा तो फोन वैसे भी नहीं उठाती है.
नहीं, तेरा तो नहीं उठाती है वो, लेकिन मेरा नहीं उठा रही है, क्या बात है. अभी तक तो आ जाना चाहिए था.
वहाँ पे भी सारे गेस्ट सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
My God, why is she not picking up my phone? अरे, ये तो भाग चली. ये तो अभी गाड़ी में चली गई.
ये कहाँ गई है? I told you, मैंने पहले ही आपसे कहा था, मत करो जबरदस्ती शादी उसकी.
शादी तो हो चुकी. शादी का क्या है अभी. वो 1 मिनट में हेलो मोती वाला, शी इज रन अवे. व्हाट अबाउट द रिसेप्शन? शी इज अ रन अवे ब्राइड. जस्ट सी व्हाट यू कैन डू. हरी अप.
सुनिए, रिलैक्स, आप बैठिए. We're going to take care of the guests. हाँ? You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Don't worry.
Don't stress. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. She'll be back. Okay?
She'll be back. Let's see what.
ठीक है. एक मिनट में भी आती हूँ.
मोती वाला? Yeah. Tell her that. Absolutely. That's the way. Yes, let's do it.
So, look how quickly I got married.
Come on, yaar, Omar. You think marriage is a joke? Is it a joke for you?
So, what do you expect out of a forced marriage, Jerry? Come on now. Let me call Mr. Motiwala, my lawyer. Let me see what he has to say.
Call him. Please.
Why the hell he's not picking up the call, yeah, now? Hello, Mr. Motiwala.
Hi, Roma. Congratulations, by the way.
So, as per my dad's will, I'm married now. So, let me know what else I need to do to get back my own property.
That's great, but you have defeated the purpose. You have not fulfilled the condition, Roma. I told you to get married before 25th or on 25th.
Yeah, but I got married on the same date. I think you're there at my reception.
मैं तुम्हारे रिसेप्शन के पार्टी में हूँ और इस वक्त यहाँ पर everyone knows that you are a runaway bride. It's an awkward situation, by the way. सब देख रहे हैं. So you don't give me that, please.
What? Wait. Excuse me, Mr. Motiwala. I think you're highly mistaken. I just got married. I think you're late. And I just stepped out for a while because whole marriage procedure was little exhausting for me. So I'll be back there soon, okay?
I understand and respect that. But in order to protect you, तुम्हें एक लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट की ज़रूरत है, अ मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट. और 2006 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कंपलसरी कर दिया था कि अगर आप मैरिड हैं तो आपको मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट, आपको अपना शादी रजिस्टर करवाना पड़ेगा, जिसको मैरिज सर्टिफिकेट बोला जाता है, इन ऑर्डर फॉर वुमेन्स प्रोटेक्शन.
Wait, Mr. Motiwala. I don't need any protection. Just hand me over the marriage certificate as soon as possible, okay?
Roma, this is not a very quickie thing. It takes time, ठीक है? And in order to do that, you and your spouse have to come all over a year again. तुम्हें एक फॉर्म फिलअप करना पड़ेगा, सारी डिटेल्स अपनी शादी की देनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद वो प्रोसीजर होगा. It takes time.
You guys tricked me in this, isn't? Oh my god. Now, how come this 1 year thing? Fine, whatever. I'll come. I'll fill all the formalities as soon as possible and get me that marriage certificate done. Just get me this divorce as soon as possible, okay?
Divorce can only happen after a year. That's again a law. So please, you just follow my instructions. Okay? And do the needful.
Fine.
Hi.
What happened?
Jerry, these guys tricked me bad. Now they're telling me that it will take a year to get divorced. So I'll have to stay with that guy for a year now.
A year?
Yeah.
What the shit these guys are doing, yeah?
Oh my god, I can't tell you how frustrated I feel, yaar. Oh my god, I think I should go now. Otherwise they'll again blame me that I ran away or something.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
drop you
please
there.
just drop me
I'll
there,
drop
yeah?
you there.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
drop you there.
This place is shit, yaar. I can't tell you. Okay, yeah, whatever, bye.
Hi babe, what's up?
Yeah, hi Jerry. Yeah, come to pick me up now.
Look babe, I can't come at your place, right? And what if Rajiv spots me there then?
So what do you want? You want me to rot here alone all my life? Do hell with him, yaar. Who the hell cares about him?
Why should you care, right? So what we can do is I am dropping you a location, okay? And you can be there and we can have a quality time there. Sounds great?
Yeah, let's see how the hell I reach there now.
Cool then, come fast. And wait, yes, don't be late, okay?
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
Take care.
Let me book the Uber, yeah. Why this driver is not moving? Oh god, he cancelled it again, yeah. God, what the hell is this place, yaar?
हेलो मेम साहब, कहाँ जाना है?
This is the location. What is this Meme Saab and all business, huh?
यू नो व्हाट रोमा, अंग्रेजों के जाने के बाद ना उनके गुलामों ने यहाँ पर राज करने की कोशिश की, जैसे बंबई में पारसी और सोबो, कलकत्ता में एंग्लो इंडिया, इत्यादि इत्यादि।
What? What nonsense are you talking about, Rajiv?
अंग्रेजों का भारत आना, भारतवासियों को घुटनों पर लाना, आज भी जख्म ताजा है, जिसने फूट डाली आज भी वही राजा है।
What? And where did you learn to recite this poem on Ola? Wait, you're trying too hard, aren't you? Come on, yaar Rajiv, give yourself a break. Hello? Yeah. Hi Jerry, where are you? You're reaching in 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, I'm on my way. Yeah, traffic. Okay, bye.
उससे पहले पहुंचा दूंगा। तुम्हें पता है रोमा, कभी कभी हम अपनी दुनिया में इतना खो जाते हैं कि हम बाहर की दुनिया में देखना ही भूल जाते हैं कि बाहर की दुनिया में चल क्या रहा है।
Oh God, Rajiv, please spare me with this lecture. I have had enough of this. So you please stop it now.
रोमा, मैं तुम्हें कोई लेक्चर नहीं दे रहा हूँ, मैं तुम्हें सिर्फ समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि हम अपनी दुनिया में इतना खो जाते हैं कि हम बाहर क्या हमारी जिंदगी में बीत रहा है वो हम देखना ही भूल जाते हैं।
Oh God, Rajiv, look, I really thank you for the ride, but right now I am not in any mood of getting any life lessons. So please.
Okay, fair enough. पर तुम्हें पता है रोमा, कभी कभी अनएक्सपेक्टेड कन्वर्सेशंस ना लाइफ में ना बहुत गहरा असर छोड़ जाती है।
Okay, so now we are being a philosopher?
मैं कोई फिलोसोफर नहीं बन रहा हूँ, और हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है। जिसकी हम ज्यादा केयर करते हैं लेकिन उसको नजर ना आए कि हम उसकी केयर कर रहे हैं।
Really, Rajiv, you are something, aren't you? Always trying to see some or the other thing good in everything.
रोमा यार देखो, सबका स्ट्रगल ना अलग होता है और सब अपनी जिंदगी में ना अपने लेवल पे स्ट्रगल करते हैं। इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं है ना कि हम एक दूसरे की मदद करना छोड़ दें। यार हम एक दूसरे की मिलके मदद तो कर सकते हैं ना उनके स्ट्रगल्स में।
Yeah, maybe, but not everyone needs to be helped out, Rajiv.
और हम अपनी कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं ना।
Yeah, whatever, yeah, Rajiv. Not in mood right now, yeah, please.
पहुंच गए। So,
Yeah,
पहुंच गए फाइनली, बिल्कुल सेफ एकदम।
yeah. Thank you so much for the ride and for trying, I guess. Bye.
Hi, baby. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I so missed you, right?
I missed you too.
And so, you are on time, first time.
Yeah, right. Rajiv dropped me off finally because I couldn't find any cab or anything. Then eventually he had to drop me in his Khatara car and he drove like a mad guy. I mean, so rash driving he did.
I mean, seriously, Rajiv.
Yeah, Rajiv. I
And-
didn't had any option, yeah. You know how that place is.
I understand.
That shit place. There are no roads. There is nothing. Even I stepped down to find that Kalipili on the road. I couldn't find that only, and then the Ola driver abandoned me. Then eventually Rajiv had to get
And-
me here.
How does he know that you are meeting me here?
I mean, there is no secret as such. I mean, I told him that I have to go and meet Jerry, so he dropped me here. I sent him the location as well. So yeah, he dropped me correctly and on time for the
On
first
time, first time.
You know what?
What?
All this is fine, but I think I made a mistake, yeah. I shouldn't have listened to you. I mean, it's all fucked up, yeah, now.
How?
How? You're asking me how?
Okay, Bob. Let's wait. I think your mood is fucked up right now. So I've ordered what you liked.
Fine. So sweet. So sweet.
One for the lady.
I miss this.
You liked it, right? Thank you so much.
I mean, I shouldn't have listened to you only at the first place.
Me?
Yeah.
How?
You only told me, right? To get married and then stay with him and then get divorced and then I'll get the house
Wait.
and everything.
See, babes.
You only planned it, right?
I was not aware that it would take 1 year to get divorced, huh? And now let's just forget it, huh? Please.
What?
Just chill, yeah.
Wait, yeah. Okay. Like, seriously, you're telling me to forget everything? I mean, I am going through all this, not you. You know how those roads are. I can't stay there. That place is all shit, yaar. I can't explain it to you. I mean, I'm serious. My dad of any which way, you know, given that house to me, yaar. I miss my home, yaar. I miss that.
I am not sure that he would have given the house to you.
Oh, come on, yeah. Please, yaar.
See, I am with you, huh? I am with you in everything.
There was nothing like a 1 year thing.
What 1 year thing?
But I have to stay with him for a year.
Babe, seriously, I was not knowing anything that...
Oh, come on, yaar, Jerry. Please, yaar.
I understand. I
It's
understand.
my dad.
I know, huh? Calm down, please. It's Rajiv making you work there. See your hands.
No.
Fine, man.
We hardly talk.
Hardly talk. Good for you.
Good for us.
Good for us. Yeah, I'm getting it. I have an urgent work, babes. So let's catch
So
up
you're
later.
leaving now.
I guess yes.
Okay, fine. I'll also leave then.
Then okay, let's move. And so then, bye. Just take care. Huh?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Uma, what are you doing here?
सिगरेट पी रही हूँ और क्या कर रही हूँ?
यार कितनी खराब चीजें तुम्हें पता है ना? सी, इस पे देखो, इस पे भी लिखा है यार सिगरेट पीने से कैंसर हो। और ये सब चीजें क्यों कर?
Dude, whole world smokes cigarette, यार. I mean, it's not that big a deal. It's common. Come on, and it's my life. What do you have to do? मैं कुछ भी करूँ.
Roma, you're my wife.
So, wives can't smoke?
यार आज के बाद ना तुम सिगरेट नहीं पियोगी बस।
I will. It's my life. Please don't tell me every time what to do and
आज
what
का तुम
not to
सिगरेट
do.
नहीं पियोगी, मैंने बोल दिया, बात खत्म बस।
Babe. Why are you so upset?
So, shouldn't I be? I just went home and what did I see? What the hell? Why the hell my keys are not working? How do you do this, man? You call Jerry. Drop the call. Oh my god. Let me call Dad. Hello, Dad. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello, Dad. Dad. God, he's left on his honeymoon and left me here like this. Honestly. House. What the hell? My dad has changed all the locks. Like, I am locked outside my house only. My keys are not working. I mean, I'm helpless.
It may sound harsh, babe, but your dad has gone to honeymoon, right? And he has just locked you without any comfort.
Yeah, so I even called you many times. And as always, you didn't pick the call. What am I supposed to do?
Look, babe, I'm so sorry. Actually, maybe my phone was on airplane mode and I must be watching a movie or something.
Oh, come on, Jerry. You're watching a movie? I mean, do you have any idea what I was going through? Look at the weather outside. I had to walk all the way from Churchgate station. And then from Andheri station to Rajiv's house. I couldn't even afford a cab because I was having no money and I was locked outside my own house.
Look, babe, I'm very sorry, okay? I should have been there for you.
My dad is so heartless. He's enjoying there on his honeymoon and he locked me outside my own house. I mean, there should be some leniency, right?
Right,
That is
but
my house too. I thought that I'll chill for a while, I'll have my own time in my own house, but now
see, I agree,
It didn't
babes. It
happen.
may sound harsh, right? But your dad is senseless, huh? I mean, how can he force you into this bloody marriage?
look, I have a plan. So let's execute it flawlessly, Jerry. This time, no mistakes.
Okay, I mean, what's the plan? Then say.
Look, I'm done with all this. So let me call Rajiv and make an offer to him.
Offer? What kind of offer?
So I can offer him 10% of my inheritance with a post-dated check.
Mm-hmm.
We can offer him a check,
Right.
and I can give him after my divorce. Let's buy our freedom.
That sounds great, babe, actually. I mean, if I'm not wrong, according to my calculation, we can earn more than 1 crore rupees after this. And one more thing, how can we buy our freedom? I mean, we don't have money right now.
That I'll take care of, and let me call Rajiv. Let's do it right now.
Okay, call him.
Yeah. By the way, how long will it take for him to come here?
It may take, I guess, 30 minutes from the coastal road.
Rajiv, yeah, where are you? Yeah, I'm sending you an address. Can you come here quickly? It's urgent.
He's coming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's wait.
Yeah, open it. Hi, Rajiv. This is Jerry Bose.
You are Jerry, right?
Yeah, this is Jerry.
किस लिए बुलाया मुझे?
Actually, Rajiv, we have a proposition to make. And in that, you can earn a more than crore rupees. And that will save your time. I mean, that's just awesome, right?
तो मतलब तुमने मुझे यहाँ पैसे की डील करने के बुलाया है अपने साथ, right?
What do you mean by saying that? See, Rajiv, we are here to make an official agreement that says that you are going to release my babe Roma from your marriage, okay? And after this, Motiwala will be forced to give us flat and will raise funds, and that will cover your dues and we'll pay you after that. I mean, sounds great, right? Let's celebrate then, right?
Right.
See, Roma was forced to marry you.
Okay. तो एक काम करो, तुम और तुम्हारी रोमा दोनों जाओ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
Is that real? I mean, you're saying true? See, I mean, that's just awesome, yeah. I mean, let's party after this. What say? You know, Rajiv? Look, Rajiv. Her dad is criminal.
क्या बोला?
Look, I mean,
तूने मेरे फादर इन लॉ को गाली कैसे दिया?
I was just...
तूने यदि गाली दिया तेरे हाथ पैर तोड़ के तेरे हाथ में दे दूंगा, समझ में आ गया तेरे को? अबे तुम्हें तमीज ही नहीं है बात करने की लोगों से। ना तुम्हें यह पता है कि बड़ों को इज्जत कैसे देते हैं और ना तुम्हें यह ही पता है कि बड़ों से कैसे बात करते हैं। और सुन, तू और तेरी रोमा ना इधर रहो, बट याद रख, अगर तूने मेरे फादर इन लोग को गाली दिया ना, तो तुझे ना कहीं का नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
I was just... Babe.
I feel so useless right now. I have let down Jerry and even myself, I feel. I think I have disappointed everyone with my actions. See. Now he doesn't even look at me. Earlier, he used to even help me with everything around the house. But I'm sure he must have felt insulted after whatever I did. The offer we made to him, I think now was so stupid. He's right on his side. He's so particular about his things around and very precise about his timings for the gym and office. Oh my gosh. Wait!
क्यों?
Aren't you forgetting something?
यार मेरी जो जिम्मेदारी है वो मैं पूरी कर रहा हूँ, और वैसे भी 1 साल मैं तुम्हारी हर चीज का ख्याल रखूंगा और हर एक चीज पूरी करूंगा.
Yeah, but I can't sit like this idly at home for a year. I need to do something. I get really bored. I get really frustrated. You know I used to work with my dad earlier. So at least get me a job.
अब आई लाइन पर. अब तो फंसी. ओके. Give me your LinkedIn profile right now.
Okay. Just check. I've shared.
ओके. Cool. मैं बात करता हूँ कुछ लोगों से तुम्हारी जॉब के लिए. एंड वन मोर थिंग, तुम्हें कुछ भी चाहिए शॉपकीपर से मंगा लेना कॉल करके डायरेक्टली. मैं तुम्हें कुछ नंबर शेयर कर देता हूँ, और ये कुछ पैसे हैं, इन्हें भी तुम अपने पास रखो.
Thank you.
और यदि मार्केट जाना हो या कुछ लाना हो तो तुम ले आना.
Okay.
कल मैं तुम्हें और पैसे दे दूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम इन हरी, सो
Okay.
ओके, टेक केयर.
Thank you. Bye. You too.
हाय डैड.
सब ठीक है ना?
अभी तो फंसी है, अभी आई है लाइन पर. टेमिंग ऑफ द श्रू.
Taming of the shrew. That's right, Sonny.
स्टार्ट धमाके से ही होगा डैड, सो डोंट वरी.
Absolutely.
ओके, यू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
You too. God bless.
आपसे जल्दी मुलाकात करता हूँ. ओके डैड, टेक केयर.
By the way, nice muscles, huh, Rajiv? Good work.
थैंक यू.
Actually, I was thinking that even I should join gym with you sometime.
या व्हाई नॉट? क्यों नहीं? ये रोज की लड़ाई भी खत्म हो जाएगी और साथ में एक वर्कआउट करेंगे तो दोनों को अच्छा महसूस होगा.
Yeah, why not?
या सो व्हाट्स योर प्लान फॉर डिनर?
Let's see, we can go out somewhere today.
Yes, of course. क्यों नहीं?
Have some good time.
या तो चलें अभी डिनर के लिए.
Yeah.
Hi baby, what's up?
Hey, honey, why aren't you coming? Come here. देखो टाइमिंग परफेक्ट है ना.
ऑफ कोर्स है, क्यों नहीं मिलूंगा यार तुमसे?
वो है ना उधर, चलो बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड।
कम ऑन यार, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है इन सब चीजों से। मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इसको शादी वादी का नाम लूं।
बाद में बताना क्या हुआ।
तुम टाइम से पहुंचो, मैं पहुंचता हूँ यार, डोंट वरी।
ओके, गुड लक।
टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस।
Excuse me, hello? What is this? Baby and all? Who are you talking to?
तुम उससे मतलब
Yes, of course.
क्यों?
I think you should remember that I'm your wife. You're married. And you're not supposed to flirt or talk to any girl. Please keep it in your mind, okay?
रियली? कहाँ है तुम्हारा मंगलसूत्र?
Look, Mangal Sutra and all is all old fashioned. I mean, who wears it? But that doesn't deny that we're not married, okay? You can't talk to someone like this. I mean, how could you, yeah? And you're walking away now. Yeah, right.
सोहो से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ है देखा देखी। अंग्रेज के गुलाम न कोई काम, बस फेंका फेंकी। सोहो से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ है देखा देखी। अंग्रेज के गुलाम न कोई काम, बस फेंका फेंकी। बोल बच्चन सारे गोरों के ही चाटे, धोबी के ही कुत्ते, ना घर के ना घाट के।
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
Come. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Yeah, come.
But why?
Come, I have something for you. Come.
अरे भाई क्या है?
है कुछ? Come. Okay. Now open your eyes. Surprise.
Wow.
Come.
वाह रोमा यार, ये तो अनएक्सपेक्टेड है। मतलब यार 100 times better किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट से। मतलब I like it यार।
Really?
Yeah.
I really wanted to do something special for both of us tonight. So yeah, I did it. I tried my best actually.
To us?
Yeah, to us. Let's have some wine.
Okay. Cheers.
By the way, I'll tell Jerry that I want to be with you and I'm happy with you, and how the way he misguided me all the way, and I'm so angry at him.
मुझे ये समझ नहीं आता, तुम क्यों तो गुस्सा हो और तुम क्यों ही खुश हो?
I'm happy because finally I realized that how much I love you. And I'm angry because how he misguided me and made all those rubbish plans all the way. So I'll eventually tell him that I'm not happy with him and I don't want to be with him anymore. So yeah.
मुझे लगता है तुम्हें ऑलरेडी चढ़ गई है, राइट?
No, come
और हाँ, वन मिनट, हमारा तो बहुत जल्दी डिवोर्स होने वाला था, राइट?
Divorce?
Yeah.
Oh, my dead body. I mean, come on. I love you, yeah. So, divorce is not an option at all. And you know what? I mean, Dad told me all those good things about you, how good you are as a human and everything, but at that time I didn't believe them. And now I feel so sorry that I missed all that one and a half year with you. We could have made better memories.
ओके ओके ओके
Come on.
तुम मुझे बिना मेकअप के ना बहुत खूबसूरत लगती, एकदम अप्सरा, बेपा, खूबसूरत, अद्भुत। बस ऐसा मन करता है ना कि सिर्फ तुम्हें देखता रहूं।
Okay.
सो आगे का क्या प्लान?
Plans?
क्या?
You tell me.
ऐसे ही हम डेट करते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही अपनी मेमोरी क्रिएट करते रहेंगे और ऐसे ही मोमेंट्स को हम कैप्चर करते रहेंगे। वेट 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 वेट, मैं इस मोमेंट को कैप्चर करना चाहता हूँ। जस्ट वेट वेट, वेयर इज माय फोन? या वेट वेट
Oh no. Rajiv, please no photo, yaar.
यार
Please.
प्लीज वेट वेट।
You know how to manipulate me very well.
तुम जब ब्लश करती हो ना, मतलब ऐसा लगता है ना कि तुम कितनी खूबसूरत हो। सो आगे का क्या प्लान?
You tell me.
ऐसे ही हम रोमांटिक डेट्स करते रहेंगे, ऐसे ही अपनी यादें बनाते रहेंगे।
Yeah.
पर बड़ा मुश्किल था एक दूसरे को कन्विंस करना।
Yeah, it was very difficult. But now I'm going to give all my efforts and I'll make sure that we don't have any misunderstandings between us. We'll try to understand each other and don't miss that convenience between us. We'll work on that.
Okay, so let's give her one hug.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
रात नींद अच्छे से आई?
बहुत अच्छे से. Why did Jerry call?
जेरी,
Yeah.
मतलब तुम अभी उससे बात करती हो क्या? मुझे लगा कि यार रात तो मैंने तुम्हारा दिल जीत लिया।
Of course, Rajiv. And how could you even think like that after last evening? We are just good friends, nothing more than that.
You both are very good friends, right?
Yes, and you know, Rajiv, that I don't have any siblings even, brother, sister, or any. So when I met him, I thought that we vibed along well, we gelled along well. So I thought yahi pyar hai. But then when I met you, then eventually I realized that what is the difference between love and friendship.
तो जेरी को इनवाइट करो भाई अपने घर पे।
Really?
और क्या, साथ में लंच करेंगे, एक दूसरे को समझेंगे, एक दूसरे से बात करेंगे।
Wow, Rajiv. You're so good, you're so understanding. I mean,
हाँ, वन मोर थिंग, उसको ये याद से बोल देना कि घर में सिगरेट अलाउड नहीं है।
oh, of course, don't worry. So should I call him?
Yes, yes, call him now.
Okay. Ring. Hi, Jerry. How are you? Yeah, so I wanted to invite you over lunch today from my side and Rajiv's side. Okay, see you at lunch today. Bye. Done. Let's go.
Yes.
Let's have some coffee.
Okay.
This movie.
I think
Jerry is here. I think. Hey, hi. Welcome. How are you? It's Rajiv. Again.
Hi Raj, hi Jay.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Same here, same. Have a seat. Be comfortable. Don't mind.
So,
Oh, by the way, belated birthday to you.
Yeah, I
मुझे रोमा ने बताया यार कि परसों तुम्हारा बर्थडे था,
yeah.
तो belated birthday to you and यार आपकी सारी इच्छाएं पूरी हों.
Sorry, I messaged you.
Oh, not at all. Yeah, please don't be sorry. And it was not at all your fault. In fact, it was not his fault also. It was just the conflict between me and my dad. And you both unnecessarily got dragged into it. So it's okay.
इंसान को लैंग्वेज से मत जानो, उसके काम से जानो. और ये मेरे फादर इन लॉ का मिशन है. बहुत सिंपल है, बट लोग इस चीज़ को समझते नहीं है. वही इंग्लिश हिंदी डिवाइड एंड रूल. क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? यदि मान लो मैं इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ या तुम इंग्लिश बोलते हो और मैं हिंदी बोलता हूँ, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? यदि आप आज काम अच्छे करोगे तो लोग आपको अच्छे से जानेंगे. और मैं कहता हूँ इंसान में एडिकेट्स होने चाहिए, उसको इज्जत करना आना चाहिए लोगों की, कैसे लोगों से बात करते हैं, तहजीब होनी चाहिए. सो मेरे मायने में तो वही सक्सेस है. हाँ, वही लैंग्वेज है.
So good.
Actually, he's right. You can take example of Bombay only. Bombay is divided into two parts. South Bombay, Sobos and the Vernies, the suburbs. Even though both people are educated, both side people are, easily they can speak English, but still there is this bifurcation. So this should no longer be there, and the Sobos and the Verni term should be abandoned from everywhere, because this is not good. People should, unite and stay together.
Agree.
This is
Similar in all metro cities actually.
yeah.
जिस भी जगह जाओ उस जगह सब same.
Even now, I have accepted the fact that there is no Sobo and Vernies.
By the way, thank you to you guys for calling.
Yeah, it was a pleasure, really.
I should make a move then.
या एंड कीप इन टच. और अच्छे से मुलाकात करते रहेंगे.
Thank you so much.
ओके, टेक केयर.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. My pleasure.
यार
बहुत चेंज हो गई है और बहुत ज्यादा खुश भी रहने लगी है.
I know, you've been telling me all that.
उसके लिए आज सरप्राइज है, उसे पता भी नहीं है कि आज आप आने वाले हैं.
देखो अभी कैसे लग रहा है मुझे भी.
Oh my God, Dad! What a surprise!
I've been dying to come here. And
Welcome.
he welcomed me.
Oh my God.
So you sit here. I sit here.
Okay.
Oh my God. I've been dying to come here, but thank God he invited me. Because I've been missing you too much. I've not seen you for long. And let me tell you, मैंने आपको फोर्स किया. I forced you. But it was like I forced myself. Really feeling good being here after a long time.
You know what, Dad? I missed you so much. I'm so glad you came here.
Oh, you don't know how bad I've been feeling. On one hand, people say that I forced you in this marriage. But I actually forced myself. कलेजे पे पत्थर रख के किया मैंने.
I know, Dad. I know,
How
Dad.
much
It
I
has.
miss you, you don't know. You don't.
I know how much of a spoiled brat I have been.
That's what I was missing.
By the way, Dad.
What can you do when I'm missing something, and when I'm missing you, I want to see all that also again. What to do? I don't know. I don't know what to say. But God has helped us. You can get some water.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Your daughter is very well mannered now.
Yes.
By the way,
Thanks
Dad,
to you.
what happened to your hair? I mean, you're growing so old so fast.
Oh.
Look at your hair, graying.
I'm actually growing. But now, ये लाइन पे आ गई ना, अभी हो जाएंगे सब, वापस आ जाएगा सब कुछ. Hey, Sunny. Oh, can I call you by that name?
आप मुझे कुछ भी बुला सकते हैं, मैं अब आपका ही हूँ.
हम देखो, ये आदमी ठीक है.
He's such a nice man.
Nice man. All right. She's saying you're such a nice man.
Thank you. By the way,
You must have done a lot for that. It's not easy.
thank you so much.
Now, why did you call me, Sunny? Why have you called me here? There must be something in you.
मैंने आपको सिर्फ इसलिए बुलाया था कि एक तो आपसे मिलने का बहुत टाइम से मन था, मैं मिल भी नहीं पाया था.
और उसने नहीं बुलाया. Sunny, only you called me. She didn't call me.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. वो आपसे बहुत प्यार करती है. ऐसा नहीं है.
I
अब वो
was a
पूरी
little
चेंज हो
hurt.
चुकी.
All right.
वो मुझे सब बताती है आपके बारे में. बट नाउ शी इज चेंज और वो बहुत अच्छे से जी रही है.
अच्छा, तेरा जॉब कैसे चल रहा है?
मेरा जॉब बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है. बाय द वे, मुझे आपकी गुड न्यूज़ देनी है. उसने सिगरेट पीना भी छोड़ दिया है. अब वो जिम भी जाने लगी है और मेरे साथ वर्कआउट भी करने लगी है.
Yeah.
ये तो होना ही था. और हम तो आपस में बातचीत करते रहते हैं. आपने बताया, मैं भी खुश होते रहता था. मुझे भी मौका चाहिए था आने का. हाँ, ये तो
सबसे अच्छी चीज तो इसने.
बिल्कुल.
और अब ये हेल्दी ड्रिंक्स, हेल्दी फूड पूरा ध्यान रखती है
Yeah.
हर चीज का.
It was a roller coaster, isn't it?
roller coaster, yeah, for you.
For both of us, I guess.
For me, it was just one-way street. I didn't know what to do, where to go. I mean, without your presence in the house, I didn't want to enter. And I went on a honeymoon just to come out of that. At the same time, I saw to it that the doors were locked and you wouldn't come and stay there. I want you to be with him.
Okay, that was your secret plan, huh?
Yes.
And I got so worried that what's happening?
I know you would be worried.
Yeah.
But what would I do? As a dad, I love you. Love doesn't mean I'm attached to you and I'll do all the wrong things because I'm craving to meet you. That attachment I have killed. It's only love that is there. And love is God's will. And it is because of God's will you two have met.
I finally realized that
That's love.
everything was all for good.
So it's all for love. What to tell you? The first wrong that I made was not to listen to your mother. Your mother told me that I should get married. Most definitely I should get married. I didn't know why she said that. But I didn't want you to have a stepmother. And so I did this, and now I realize when I went and prayed to your mom, I realized what she told me. She told me that was your first mistake. And then I told her, yes, I got delayed in the act. But now, you know, your stepmother, you didn't like her at all. You called her Vernie, and she didn't know what is Vernie. So I explained to her that you've done your studies, your background is vernacular, अब वो समझती है
Yes.
कि जिंदगी की माने क्या है.
True.
पहले तो जो बातें करता था उसके साथ थी. अब जो काम करता है उसके साथ.
नहीं, इतनी आसानी से तो नहीं जाने दूंगा.
नहीं तो तू क्यों जाने देगा? अरे this is what you have done.
It's all because of you, Dad. I mean, you have been my mom and my dad all this while. I know I was a little hurt in between, but I can never stay away from you, ever. You know that.
Don't say all that. Let's not get emotional. I'll see you too, and I'll see you in my office.
Dad, stay for a little longer. It's been such a long time, Dad.
It becomes too much, you know. I can't be in your house for so long. Right? Rajiv, where are you coming?
At least let me drop you till your car.
I got something for you.
Okay, let me see what's it. Dad, isn't this card overdue?
I know it's your card, but I cleaned it up and I put 20 more in it.
Oh my god, 20,000?
No, 20 lakhs.
Wow, 20 lakhs.
You have to work for it. You'll have to work for it.
Yeah.
Okay, don't spend it. I could have given it to Rajiv,
Yeah,
but he's very proud.
proud. Yeah. He won't take it.
He wants to make his own money. Now you will also make your own money.
Yes, Dad.
You and I are very similar. And what happened to me happened to you.
Yeah.
I got married to a Varney.
And I got married to a Varney too.
यार रोमा, तुम्हारे पापा बिना खाना खाए चले गए?
That's not a problem. Anyway, he never eats at anyone's house. So it's okay. And एक बार अगर उन्होंने सोच लिया that he has to leave from that place, then no one can stop him.
But क्यों ऐसा?
Old culture, all orthodox thinking. बेटी के घर का पानी तक नहीं पिएंगे types. At least he drank water here.
By the way,
Hmm.
तुम इतनी खुश क्यों?
Why
कुछ तो
should I?
राज है जो तुम मुझसे छुपा रही हो, है ना? क्या?
Why should I spill all my beans to you?
अरे प्लीज बताओ ना यार.
No.
प्लीज.
Okay, fine. So, my dad has transferred 20 lakh rupees in my account. And from tomorrow, I'm starting office as well.
Wow, it's incredible, yeah.
Yeah. By the way, I was thinking that I should maybe book a car. Or maybe we can book an international trip from that money.
No.
Or shopping.
No. ये तुम्हारे पापा परमिशन नहीं देंगे यार ये सब करने की. Please try to understand, Roma.
But you know how far is that office? Ballard State. How am I going to go? And no more Kali Pili and autos. So, I need a car at least.
एक सरप्राइज है तुम्हारे लिए.
Again a surprise?
Yes.
Wow. This day is full of surprises, huh, Raji? I must tell you. Tell me. I'm really excited.
मैंने एक नई कार बुक की है.
Wow.
Yes.
That's great, Raji.
Yeah. Promotion perk, huh?
So when are we getting that car?
Just within a week.
Wow, I'm so excited. Technically, वो कार तो सिर्फ मेरी हुई.
मेरी नहीं, हमारी.
Okay, हमारी कार.
हमारी.
Acha, listen, Rajiv. Can we spend a night today at the Kalaba house? Dad will be also happy, and I have a little surprise for Smita, mom. I want to make up to her, you know.
यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा है. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये सुन के कि तुम आजकल इतना अच्छा सोच भी रही हो यार. It's good.
Wow, I'm so excited. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi, Dad.
Hey.
How are you? Sorry, I'm in my casuals.
I see that. I see that.
Look at your hair.
Wow, what do you see?
Your color, gelled up, all looking cool, dude. Huh? Great.
That particular day, how harrowed I was, and I came like that.
Yeah.
But now I have to look after
Now
myself.
you're looking like my dad.
If you're happy, I'm happy. That's about all. So you come to work,
Yeah, and I'm really excited and looking forward. Just
and your room is still intact. I have not given your room to anyone.
wow, that's a great news now. Okay.
So go back to your room, start working. I have work to do, and then we'll go.
Okay.
Okay?
See you after some
We'll
time.
go and meet Smita mom.
Okay. Bye.
All right.
Wow. Thank you. Really not.
Tell me. Okay.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah. Oh, just hold it.
Come on, hurry up. We have to go home. We are getting late. Raji must be waiting, and I have a surprise for Smita mom.
What?
I'm wearing a sari. So I'll quickly change and come.
Hurry up.
I'll see you.
Hurry up. She's taken a lot of time. She was in a hurry. Roma! Ah, look at you! My. Let's go! Let's give her a surprise. Come on.
I tried my best.
You did. Absolutely you did.
आलो को रुमा गए। अरे राजीव, हेलो बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू। आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अलक एंड रोमा।
हाँ, शायद वो भी आती होंगे।
हाँ, ऑन द वे हैं। आ जाओ, आओ, कम। And tell me, how's everything?
Everything is good. आप बताएं, आप कैसे हैं?
All good, चल रहा है बस।
Your health is okay?
Yeah, everything is fine.
Perfect.
But yeah. मुझे लगा शायद ये दोनों आ गए।
टाइम तो हो गया। काफी टाइम पहले बात हुई थी, बट बोले थे कि आने वाले होंगे। I think busy होंगे कहीं काम।
This is your new key. You remember?
Yeah.
This is your house, your key.
So I welcome you in my house now.
Hey, come on, Smita, look at this.
Mama, you're looking so pretty.
Look at this. Look at the change.
I wanted to surprise you.
I'm Zap. You're looking so pretty in sari.
Thank you. So, give your blessings now.
Oh, God bless you.
And I also wanted to apologize. I know I have been such a brat. I have been such a spoil. So, sorry.
But who has really revived you?
He's
Rajiv.
sitting next to me.
मान गए.
He's tamed the shoe.
बहुत मेहनत लगी है मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाने के लिए.
हाँ, मेहनत तो करनी थी आपको.
हाँ, मेहनत रंग लाई तुम्हारी.
मेहनत के बिना कुछ नहीं होता.
गणपति बापा मोरिया.
Wow, Rajiv. Such a nice interior. I'm loving it. Something new.
होपफुली हम दूसरी भी लेंगे तो उसकी पूजा तुम करोगी.
Yes.
बहुत मजा आने वाला.
I'm really excited.
थैंक यू. तो अभी हम ड्राइव पे चले.
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
I want to see.
In the outward world where dreams are sought, chasing desires, battles to be fought. But deep within, another journey unfolds, a quest for peace, for treasures untold. Outward comforts, like stars in the sky, shining brightly, catching every eye. Yet inward comforts, a gentle breeze, whispering secrets, putting hearts at ease. Outward comforts, inward bliss, when we merge a perfect kiss, turning with life, embracing the truth, balancing both worlds, living with grace. तो होश से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ न देखा देखी. अंग्रेज के गुलाम न कोई काम, बस फेंका फेंकी. अंग्रेजों के गुलाम, साले तौर तरीके जाने किधर के. ना रही खुद की पहचान, इधर के ना उधर के. अपनी संस्कृति त्यागी, लिए सपने विलायती ठाट बाट के. हो गए धोबी के कुत्ते, न घर के न घाट के. सोबो की नक्चरी ने बात मानी, बन गई फुलझड़ी. सबके मन को भा गई, मन चाहिए गुलछरी. तो होश से बना सोबो, ये सब कुछ न देखा देखी.